Being broke as a student is tough. Between textbooks, snacks, and coffee, money disappears fast. But what if you could make up to $500 while still in college? No need for sketchy schemes or endless stress. In this video, I'll break down 5 simple, proven ways to stack cash. Follow these steps, and you'll be halfway to reaching your financial goals. Let's get started. Hustle 1. Freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are your best friends here. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Sign up today, make a profile, and start applying for gigs. For example, you can offer to write a 500-word blog post for $20 or edit 5 TikToks for $30. Hustle 2. Campus or local jobs. Your college is a cash machine if you know where to look. Check out your school's job board online or walk into the dining hall and ask about openings. You can also try babysitting or dog walking in your town. Post an ad on Nextdoor or Facebook groups like College Kid can walk dogs for $15 an hour. All these works absolutely. Hustle 3. Sell your stuff. You've got stuff you don't need. Clothes, old textbooks, maybe a random speaker collecting dust. Turn it into cash. List textbooks on Amazon or your campus group chat. Sell clothes on Poshmark or Depop. Jeans or sneakers go quick. Take clear pics with your phone and price competitively. Hustle 4. Gig apps or odd jobs. If you're 18, apps like DoorDash or TaskRabbit can make you money fast. Sign up, set your schedule, and start delivering food or running errands. You can also offer to help neighbors with tasks like shoveling snow or cleaning garages. Hustle 5. Micro hustles. These are small, creative ways to make cash on campus. Think tutoring, selling snacks, or making digital stuff like phone wallpapers. Post about it in group chats or on flyers. For example, you can tutor a classmate in math for $15 an hour or sell energy drinks in your dorm for $2 a pop. Let's add it up. $200 from freelancing, $150 from campus jobs, $100 from selling stuff, $50 from gig apps, and $50 from micro hustles. That's $550, more than your $500 goal. Start today, pick one hustle, and track every dollar you make. Stay safe, skip anything shady, and you're golden.